It's a me, Shelbster. Today I'm going to be showing you different types of pregnancy tests from Premom. Let me go ahead and take them out for you so we can show. So here's the 3 different kinds. We'll go ahead and open. This one has 20 in it, 20 pregnancy tests. And these are the strips. As you can see, it's just, and then you fill the urine up in a cup. So that's one. That's these guys. Let's open these guys so we can see the difference. So this package comes with 30 pregnancy tests. HCG tests and pregnancy tests are the same thing, except usually HCG tests you use blood samples, but these are all urine sample pregnancy tests. So they're the same, just 20 and then 30. And then this one is the actual handheld one. And this one comes with 3. And this one comes with a nice lid. You put it in. Nice little grippy on it. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.